Okay, so right now we're going to go into the practical aspects of the class. Okay, so you either go through the link that was sent on WhatsApp, you go through the link, and then you'll be directed straight up to the Render First website, or you can use your what do you call it, your browser. Okay, like always, I like to use my Opera Mini because my Opera Mini works very fast for me. So let's just go in there. So once you go in there, now I'm going to search www.renderforest.com, www.renderforest.com, and then I'll search. So because I already have a signed account or an account with them, so it's just going to pop up like this. But since you don't have an account with them, because you need to create an account, it's free. You need to create an account. So once you click on the mail, you on that website, I mean, it's going to pop up for you to put in your mail, and then after that, a message will be sent to your email address where you have to reconfirm, your mail, and then it will bring you back here with just the way mine is now, with the way this interface is. So once you are here, let's just click on these two buttons. If you click on these two buttons, your name will actually appear here. Okay, so it shows you already have an account. Okay, so now let's go back. So let's start. So we're going to start with get started. So let's start with get started. So I just click on get started. Once you click on the get started, it's going to pop up some options: video, website, logo, mockup, graphics. So the content of this class is for us to create a video. So we're going to go into video. We're going to create a video. So once that pops open, then you would now see some templates. Now remember I said we're going to learn how to create a 3D mockup video, and then a whiteboard, a whiteboard explainer. So this is a 3D, and let's just look, and this is the whiteboard. Okay, this is the whiteboard animation. So now whatever we do on the 3D, whatever step we do on the 3D is the same step you will also do using your whiteboard. Okay, so it's the same step. The difference is just in certain features, and the rest, but it's the same steps. Whatever step we're taking now is the same step we will still do for our whiteboard. So without wasting time, let's go straight into our 3D mockup. Okay, so we're going to click on this. So once you click on this, it's going to open up, it's going to suggest for you. It's going to open up some suggestions. Yes, so before that, you have to click on your create now. You create now because we want to start creating. So you create now, you click on create now. Then after you click on create now, it will pop up some options that you need to select from. So it's processing. So you have some options here. Okay, so you have 3 options here. Do you want a template? Do you want to type your story, or do you want to start from scratch? Now it's possible you start from scratch. It depends on what you actually want to tell. So we don't want to use a template, and we don't want to type a story for them to suggest to us. Oh, sorry, my phone just went okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so we don't want them to suggest to us a story, so we're going to start from scratch. So let's just start from scratch. So we're going to start from scratch. Okay, so now this is where we are. Now if you can see this interface, now you have you can see these images, and then you can see some written words under them. Now each of this picture actually indicates a write-up. So you have a happy man waving, you have a man shaking his empty piggy bank, you have a waving man, you have a happy man putting coins into his piggy bank. So all these images actually depicts what you want to write. So for example, you want to write a particular thing, and maybe you want to type a happy man, and your text is, it's saying, are you sad? Are you, it does not actually correlate. It does not align. So the image must align with your text. Okay, so and if you want, for example, I want to say a waving man or a waving woman, I want to use this to say, maybe I want to say hi, hello. Okay, so I can use this image, okay, because it depicts what I want to say. So since I'm a lady and I don't want to use a man's picture, so let me just type on woman. So I just click on that and I type on woman. So it will bring out a woman's a woman's icon for me. Sorry, my phone is kind of hanging. Okay, it's already here. Okay, woman, not women. Okay, woman. Let me just do that again. Okay, but it's the same thing that is still going to pop up. Okay, all right. So here I already have these images. Okay, so you can see woman holding a speaker. So it depends on what I want to say. So I want to begin this with saying a hi or a hello. So let me look for an image that depicts that. So you just look for an image that depicts what you want to say. An image that depicts what you want to say. So let's okay, happy woman waving. So this can actually work. So you just select. It depends on the kind of story you want to build. So let's select. So once you press this, it's selected already. You can see deselect or insert. So once you are done selecting, you can now click on your insert. So I am not done, so I will keep selecting insert. I've picked that. Okay, let me pick this. Depends on the story I want to create in my mind. Depends on the story I want to create in my mind. Depends on the kind of story I want to create in my mind. So okay, depends on the kind of story I want to create in my mind. So let's pick that. And let's finally pick this. So this is just something random. Okay, so depends on the story you want to create. So once you're done selecting, then you can now insert. Remember, it depends on the kind of story line you want to create. So once you insert, it's going to pop up all of these interface. So we're going to start with the blue line. Now if you look up here, you have this, you have this, you have this, you know, all of this. Okay, I'm going to try to explain that. So let's start with the first one. Now that first one, like a pencil, that's where you tend to write your text. Okay, that's where you can write your text if you want to, you know, just write your text, or like a story. Okay, that's where you write your text. Then with the one with a pile of books, we're going to take them one after the other. So so you have to take this to the beginning. You have to take this to the beginning. So we want to write a text. Now this is a woman waving. So let's say I want to say hi. So I click on it and I say hi, it's Rita, for example. Hi, it's Rita. So once you're done, you save and it closes. And then I go to the next one. Let's say I want to write are you discouraged and disappointed? So you just type, are you discouraged and disappointed about the rise and prices? Depends on you, okay? The rise in prices. Okay, so we could say, cheer up, this announcement you wouldn't want to miss. You save and you close, and then we go to the next one. Join this webinar, for example. Join this webinar where I'll be teaching you how to increase your finance or your finances, right? Okay, join this webinar where I'll be teaching you how to increase your finances. So you can now save and close. Remember, it depends on the story you want to write. So we're done with this based on the pictures and the images I've selected. So we're done with this. So now let's go to the next interface. That's this one with a pile of the book. Can you see it? This one with a pile of the book. That's So let's go to that. Start with a pile of the book. Okay, so we click on that. Now this actually wants to show you how your overall picture wants to look like. Now I don't know why this is not, it's not loading up on my phone. I don't know why it's not loading up. Okay, but then I'm going to screenshot and send you how it looks like. Okay, so you would see it clearer. Here to show a 3D kind of, do you want a 3D kind of effect or do you want a flat effect? I don't know why this isn't loading up because the network is bad. But then I want a 3D. So you look for the 3D, okay, and not the flat because we want a 3D look. Okay, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to snap a picture and send it so you see how it looks. So once you select that, it's selected already. It's selected already. So that's how you want it to look. You can go to your transition and also for the preferred transition. I don't know why it's showing. I don't know why it's showing this way. My network is kind of not working for me. Okay, but I want you to try it. Okay, and then when I give an assignment, so I will see how it works on your phone. I don't know why mine is, I don't know why mine isn't loading up. Okay, so let me just randomly pick one. Pick the first one randomly. Okay, so we are done with that. So now let's go to the next let's go to this. Now on that is actually a color. Like if you want to change the color of how you want your story to look like, or you want the color, how you want the images to appear, the kind of color effect you want. So let's click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open this way. Okay, this is opening, so I guess it's the network. Okay, so this is opening, so you can now select the color that works for you. You randomly select any color that works for you. Okay, so let me randomly select. Okay, guess I like this. So now if you watch, once you are selecting a color, it's actually saving on its own. Can you see? It's saving on its own. You see saving changes, check. So it's saving on its own, so you can keep going ahead. So let's go ahead down to the next icon here, which is the music, because we need to add a music. So you click on the music. So once you click on this music here, you want to add a music. Okay, so here we have add music. I don't know if you can see it here. We have add music, and if you want to add a voiceover, you have add voice over. Okay, but let's add music. Let's add music. So you add the music. So we add. Once we click on the add music, it's going to bring out some different music that you can actually select from. Okay, so let's play them. So you see this arrow? This arrow here is to show that you have selected, while this one here is to show that you're just trying to try out the music or try out the sound to know how it looks like, right? Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, I guess I like this. So if I want to select, so I click on this plus with a green. I click on the plus and it's added already. Okay, so it's added already to my story. It's added already. So after here, once you're done here, you can remember I said you can add a voiceover if you choose to. Okay, but then let's proceed, and then we will now go to the next icon here, which is this, the next icon. So once you get there, now it means you are done with your write-up, with everything you want to do. You're actually done. You now want to save. Okay, so I like to save with fast preview, right? Save time and export your video with fast preview. Okay, I like to save with fast preview. So you save with a fast preview, and then just hold on for it to, so it's already been downloaded. Okay, you can feel this if you want to be receiving some newsletters. Okay, you can feel that. Okay, but then let's go back to see the video, to see where it's actually downloading. So you see this, you can actually click on this. So we can click on this just to go back. So once you click on that, it's going to bring out this interface. So you click on where you have your name, like Rita. I'm going to click on Rita, and then it's bringing out my project, the video, and all of those icons. So I go to videos so I can see what is actually being downloaded or still in the process of downloading. So it's trying to load up. Okay, so this is what I just did. So it's still trying to load up. I hope it loads up very fast. Okay, so it's still trying to download. So let's just hold up a bit. It's still trying to download. It's still trying to download. Okay, so while it's still trying to export, okay, it's quite fast. Okay, so while it's still trying to export, now you can see okay, now these were some of the projects I had done. These are some of the projects I had done. Okay, so let's just wait for that to just let's just wait for that to just finish up. So once you are done with this, then you can now download. Okay, you can now download, and then it will be downloaded straight on your phone. To be downloaded straight on your phone. Okay, so it's trying to just finish up. So once it's done, it will be downloaded. You can now download straight on your phone, and also you can also edit. Yes, so it has been successfully exported. So you go to OK. So once you click on OK, you can now have a free preview. By free preview, it means maybe you want to actually see what you did. You can press on your play. Okay, if you want to edit, you can see click on the edit. Maybe there are certain things that actually you want to add, or you just want to edit. You can click on the edit, and then you edit what you want to edit. Or if you're okay with it, after playing, you can now download. So let's just download. So you can download, and then okay, so you can download. So it's already downloading. Yes, it's already downloading straight to my phone. But let's play from here just to see how it looks like. Let's play from here. So let's play. Okay. Okay, so you see the images are, are correlating with what the write-ups are. Okay, so that's that, and that's that for